2008 Honda CRV. I'm going to show you guys a quick little fix. This may or may not work for you, but it's worth a try. It's very easy to do. Let's say you don't have heat, you have it all the way on hot, and it's not, the hot air is not blowing on the vent, or vice versa, cold air too. What you do is you turn on the car, you have the blower on, you go over here. This is gonna be your blend or actuator. See that plastic white piece right there? Sometimes you can kind of move it, sometimes it just gets stuck in there. If it's not moving at all after that, it's still not working, try to unplug this wiring harness and then hook it back on, and sometimes it'll start working again. So try that first if you don't have heat or cold air coming out of the vent. Very simple fix. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button, and again, thank you for watching.